to the channel. Today we're doing another Try It Tuesday. I know it's been a while since we last did a Try It Tuesday. Today we are going to be doing or making DIY do-it-yourself candles at home. Hopefully you like this. Continue to watch and let's get through the process. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see me. So I already opened it up. These little stickies come with it. Then these are the things that go at the bottom of the, the can. Directions that I will be, take a screenshot if you see it. All right, if you're watching this on your phone. All right, a little spoon thing. This is for the holding the wicks right here. Tiny candle situations. Okay, candle tins. Candle tins. I am just gonna do possibly just one, and then I have enough so that me and my siblings can do some. So I gotta make sure, yeah, I have enough cans for all of us to do this again together as an activity. All right, and then we have the candle wax. Two, three, four. Like, if you see things getting moved away, my sibling, my sister is helping me out in the background. Don't mind. All right, lastly in this box is this pot to melt the wax. It looks like a little teapot thing, right? Like, it's cute. I would have probably used this for tea. You never know. So yeah, so this is where the wax will go onto the stove later on. Just so you guys can see, this is really it from the packaging. Right, so how to use this kit, it says, okay? Just so you guys can see it. All right, the first thing we want to do, it says start here. We need to tear the sticker, okay? And then we're going to tear another side, stick the wick to the bottom of the tin, it says, okay? Then they want us to put on the holder to fix the wick. This is the holder. This is the wick. This is the tin. And these are the stickers. Okay, so I gotta peel this part off later, but once I peel it off this area, it becomes adhesive. And then they want us to pour the beeswax particles into the cup, and we're going to heat it for 70 degrees Celsius. I don't think we have a measuring thing. We might, I don't know. Basically to check the temperature. I thought we do, but if we don't, we'll just eyeball it and figure it out. Then after we're done, after the wax melts, we're going to pour the wax into the tin and then wait for it to cool down, and then we can, light it up later on. Alright, so the water is boiling. I am going to lower the heat because we don't need it to be, continuously. We don't need it to keep going. So I am going to put this lovely, you can see, put that in there. I think for me, yeah, I am going to put the wax in first because I don't want to burn myself. Okay. Alright, so I did close to half the bag. I'm gonna put this in here. Oops. This is a little scary, guys. This is a little scary. If you're a kid watching this, make sure an adult is there with you. Okay, it's melting. Okay, guys, it is Try Tuesday. I'm gonna just turn this off or put it as low as I can because I want it to sit. I'm scared. I hope you can see in there. Alright. As I said, less water would be better. Alright. It's done. Okay, alright, so I have to go put on my mitten glove thing. I haven't, we've used this for other things, but I've had it for a while. So, going to pour in as directed. Okay, so it's in there. I'm going to do another batch and have this cool down. As you can see, it's already starting to harden a little bit. Alright, so this batch is done. Alright, so these are the scents that we're gonna try. Vanilla. We're gonna do vanilla. And then I think we're gonna do cinnamon as the other scent. We're gonna do cinnamon. Alright, so I already have the cinnamon in there. And I'm going to pour the wax in. Alright, put that down because it's a little hot. Alright, so I don't want it to fill up all the way. So I'm going to try and grab it because I don't want to get wax on my skin. Alright, so yeah, that's how it looks. We're going to have it sit and dry. And then we'll see how the color turns out. Alright, so for the vanilla, I am going to use the cover, the lid for it. And I'll pour some in there. pour it in here. I'll do about 2. Let me not say about 2. I will do just 2. Okay. All right. Alright, so this is the end product. This was just the original. Then the cinnamon, you can see the little discoloration. And this was the vanilla. Let me do a quick smell. I don't really smell it yet. I think once I burn the candle, the cinnamon is very strong. I can smell that. So yeah, they're done. Alright. Okay, so that's how it looks. I guess if you have extra tins and extra little things to hold it at the bottom, you can use these here. But yeah, so I'm going to light one. You see the fire? There you go. Alright. Hopefully it gives off a little fragrance. That is the goal. It's gonna stay in this kitchen. And then we'll, I'll burn the rest of it later. And this one here, I'll smell that later too once it dries up. Alright, that was it for Try Tuesday. We definitely went through and DIY the candles, okay? This is the candle making kit. This is the picture of it. If you want to definitely get yourself one from Amazon, it was not that expensive. But again, that's my opinion of expensive. These are the candles, and the turnout one is burning at the moment. This is the one that was vanilla scented, and then I had one that is cinnamon, and then the original has nothing on it, and I made me an extra one, as well as having one of my other candles melt because it needs a wick in it. Thank you for joining me on Try It Tuesday. Make sure you check us out every Tuesday on this channel with Ms.Kadi K, and check out the other videos. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Share this video with a friend or a family member. They might also want to do a quick project with family, a quick project as a gift. This was done within like 2 hours. You had to wait for it to dry, but the process was not that long. Hit that like button and leave a comment down below as to what scent you would want to put into your candle. And I'll see you next time. Bye.